Driving a modern vehicle is an experience increasingly defined by advanced technology, much of which operates silently in the background, keeping us safe. These sophisticated systems, known as Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, are rapidly transforming our relationship with the road, acting as an extra layer of vigilance. ADAS encompasses a wide array of technologies designed to assist drivers, reduce accidents, and mitigate the severity of collisions. From alerting you to potential hazards to actively taking control in critical moments, ADAS is built upon a foundation of highly sensitive and intelligent sensors that perceive the world around your vehicle. At the heart of every ADAS system lies a sensory trio: radar, Lidar, and cameras. Each of these technologies brings a unique strength to the table, providing different perspectives and data points that, when combined, create a comprehensive understanding of the driving environment. Radar, short for radio detection and ranging, is perhaps the most seasoned player in this field. It works by emitting radio waves and then detecting the echoes that bounce back from objects. By analyzing the time it takes for these waves to return and their frequency shift, radar can accurately determine an object's distance, speed, and even its direction. Radar's robust nature makes it invaluable in various conditions. It can penetrate rain, fog, and snow with relative ease, making it ideal for features like adaptive cruise control, which maintains a safe following distance, and blind spot monitoring, which alerts you to vehicles outside your peripheral vision. Lidar, or light detection and ranging, offers a different approach, utilizing pulsed laser light to measure distances. A Lidar system emits millions of laser pulses per second, and by timing their return, it creates a highly detailed, three-dimensional point cloud map of the surrounding environment. This precision allows Lidar to generate incredibly accurate representations of objects, distinguishing between pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles with remarkable clarity. Its high resolution is particularly crucial for complex scenarios and is a key technology for future levels of autonomous driving, providing detailed spatial awareness. Cameras, much like our own eyes, capture visual information. High-resolution automotive cameras continuously record images and video of the road ahead, behind, and to the sides of the vehicle. These visual feeds are then processed by powerful computer vision algorithms. These algorithms enable cameras to perform a variety of crucial tasks. They can identify lane markings for lane keeping assist, recognize traffic signs and speed limits, detect pedestrians and cyclists, and even discern the color of traffic lights, providing a cognitive layer to ADAS functionality. While each sensor has its individual strengths, their true power is unleashed through a process called sensor fusion. This involves combining and correlating the data streams from radar, Lidar, and cameras. For instance, radar might detect an object's presence and speed, while a camera identifies it as a pedestrian. Sensor fusion provides a more robust and reliable understanding of the environment than any single sensor could achieve alone. This redundancy and cross-validation are critical for safety-critical functions like automatic emergency braking, where accurate object classification and distance measurement are paramount to preventing or mitigating collisions. Consider adaptive cruise control, which uses radar to maintain distance, lane centering, which uses cameras to track lane lines, or automatic emergency braking, which often combines radar and camera data to detect obstacles. Parking assist systems can leverage all three, using cameras for visual context, radar for immediate proximity, and Lidar for comprehensive mapping. Despite their sophistication, these sensor systems do face challenges. Environmental factors can still impact performance. Heavy mud or ice can obscure camera lenses or Lidar sensors, and extreme weather, while less impactful on radar, can still introduce noise. Furthermore, the sheer volume of data processed requires immense computational power. The evolution of ADAS is ongoing, with continuous improvements in sensor resolution, processing speed, and algorithmic intelligence. Manufacturers are constantly refining these systems to make them more reliable, more capable, and less susceptible to environmental interference. As we move closer to higher levels of driving automation and ultimately, fully autonomous vehicles, the role of these sensors becomes even more paramount. They are not just assistance systems, but the fundamental foundation upon which self-driving capabilities are built, demanding ever greater accuracy and redundancy. In essence, radar, lidar, and cameras collectively serve as the indispensable eyes and ears of your vehicle, constantly scanning, interpreting, and reacting to the world around them. They are the unseen guardians, diligently working to enhance your safety and confidence every time you get behind the wheel.